Hey guys, another break of the cup, 10-11. We've got Dom in his Kessler jersey breaking it tonight. Here's the serial code, I can't see it.
Okay, if you hold it yourself, you'll find a good angle. No, hold the box, you'll find it.
Okay.
Just hold it normal.
Yeah. Can you double press it? NE95998345.
Absolutely love breaking the cup. Good luck, guys.
So Dom can pull something nice for once.
I'm wearing my Kessler jersey this time.
Yeah, it's his
So,
boyfriend's.
I've had some pretty good luck with this jersey, so, you know, who knows? I've never worn it during a break. Let's see if I should have.
Nice looking jersey, at least.
Hope I'm getting some comments from you guys on the jersey.
You got it.
Okay, that's sick.
Dom is having some technical difficulties.
Oh, physical difficulties.
Technical in the brain. Anyways, here we go, guys. That's what we came here to see.
Look, guys. And should I show you guys the first page? Or?
Hide it.
Okay. Well. I saw something, guys.
Is there foam in there?
Nope.
Is there
But
black in there?
I saw something else. And it rhymes with the Austin Bruins.
The Boston Bruins.
And we fit Jamie Arneal and we fit the other guys. So there's only one other Boston guy that we haven't hit.
How could he see that?
Okay, we got a Mario Lemieux base to start off. Check it out. Can you look at the camera?
I'm sorry, guys. Alright,
Okay.
Mario Lemieux base.
Pittsburgh. We got a Paul
Paul
Stastny.
Stastny. Slower.
No. No way. We hit him again? Jordan Caron again. Oh, that's too bad.
So close.
And that's it for Boston. 2 colors.
I see something nice.
Okay, well, we came right back into the game there. Taylor Hall, scripted swatches, 3 colors out of 35. That is
Congrats.
mojo right there.
Congrats, Edmonton.
Yeah, you finally got what you paid for. Wow. Beautiful card there. Wow, another sweet card from Dion Phaneuf from the Toronto. Look, my hands are shaking. Toronto Maple Leafs. Nice hit. That's out of 15.
Yep.
Sweet.
Number 2 out of 15. And last, got a non-jersey
We got
rookie.
a shit card from St. Louis. I don't even know his name, but doesn't matter.
Philip McRae.
I'm just kidding, guys. It's a nice hit. Obviously, that Taylor Hall is... Wow. That is a beautiful card. Good job, Edmonton. Finally get what you paid for. Edmonton, Boston, 2 big guys finally hit. Alright, guys. See you later.
These ideas are nightmares to white parents whose worst fear is a child with dyed hair and who likes earrings. Like whatever they say,